Hey all, Kyle here. I'm trying to figure out some Godot 4.0 stuff right now because I'm making a migration slash upgrade document to try to help out the team. Uh, See the link that I put below for that. I wanted to point out that the TileSets editor and TileMap editor has been combined, and it's a little bit awkward right now, I feel. So I wanted to show you how to use it real quick and just make sure that everyone's basically on the same page. So I'm going to get started. As you see here, I just have a basic level, floor, and a camera in it. You don't technically have to have the camera, but the floor here is just a tile map, and I have a actual sprite for it over here. So I'll go into TileSet on the right, hit new TileSet just like before. Now when you first look at it, it's got a whole bunch of new stuff. Most of it, for the time being, you can straight up ignore. I'm going to change the tile size to the tile size of my tile set though, and then go to edit. Now notice it brings you to the TileMap screen. That's not what you want to be at first. You actually want to be at TileSet. And here, you hit the plus sign. Atlas, and where it says here, you see it says no texture atlas source for ID 0. You can give it a name. We'll give it the name main ship floor. And then for the texture, that's where you put your actual texture. It says the texture is modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles in the atlas? We'll hit yes. But as you see, everything disappeared, which is very strange. Now if I click, or rather if I right click, I can hit delete and see the thing behind it. But that's not really what I want. So when I click, it goes back. That means there's a tile there. So how to make it so you can actually see your tiles and actually see them when they come up, notice if I go to the actual tile map, select a tile, and try to drag it, it tries to put what's underneath, but you don't see anything. And the reason for that is very simple. If we go back to the tile set at the bottom here, and we uncheck use texture padding, it will bring everything back. Now notice, the tile map's quite a bit different now. So I've got it on drawing rectangle. You don't need to do that. They have paint. This is like before where it's a single one. They have some new shortcuts where shift to draw a line, shift control is draw a rectangle, or you can just go to draw a line or draw a rectangle or fill. But you'll notice it just filled in the one. It doesn't do auto tiling right now. So what you want to do is auto tile sort of on your own. Click on each one individually. And notice it sort of works like line, just with the normal one, so that's what I'm using. And that's all you need to do. And we can take the middle one and go to flood fill and do that. And now in game it actually looks pretty good. Bit small, but I don't have scaling on, so that's why. Okay, thank you all. Have a good one.